bash bash that boo boo. I love you.
Again. Not again. Where did you find this one?
See, I saw it in a nest. It was sort of lonely. And
Stole it from a nest?
I've been taking care of it, been nurturing. Well, I also had...
You have to put it back!
Talk to the Oprah!
I'm not gonna talk to your stupid drawing.
Will you at least help me, you know, feed and take care of the egg?
You promise you won't forsake me like last time.
Yes.
Cross your heart and hope to live?
Cross my heart and hope to... Oh my gosh, Barney John! There. Nice and toasty.
You make me sad.
Tell it to Oprah. I want to be the boy or a girl or a duck with
Well,
flowers wings.
we could, like, get a doctor or something and, you know, they could conduct an ultrasound. You know, when they put, like, the cream on, like, the tongue. I don't know if it works with eggs.
I am a doctor.
What? What? No, you're not! You got any equipment, doctor?
Why, yes, I do. Ooh, it kicked. Wanna feel?
Sure. I'm not feeling anything, like, not even a kick.
Let's hang
I-
out.
Hang out.
Old Godzilla was hopping around Tokyo City like a big playground, when suddenly Batman burst from the shade and hit Godzilla with a bat grenade. Godzilla got pissed and began to attack, but didn't expect to be blocked by Shaq, who proceeded to open up a can of Shaq Fu when Aaron Carter came out of the blue and he started beating up Shaquille O'Neal. Then they both got flattened by the Batmobile, but before he could make it back to the Batcave, Abraham Lincoln popped out of his grave and took an AK-47 out from under his hat and blew Batman away with a rat-a-tat-tat. But he ran out of bullets and he ran away, because Optimus Prime came to save the day. This is the ultimate showdown, ultimate destiny. Good guys, bad guys.
What to do? Once again, something's in the way of my friendship, and once again, I have to do something to get rid of the third wheel. What am I supposed to do?
You are just so cute. Hang on, I'm gonna tell you a story.